Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Minecraft error code Blaze. The error reads, "An error has occurred. Search help.minecraft.net for Blaze for more information." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to join a friend's world in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. It has also been reported when the same account is used in the same world. According to our research, this error happens if the game session is not refreshed properly, if the same account is already active in the world, or if there are connection issues between players. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your game and ask your friend to restart theirs as well. Once both of you restart, try joining again and check for the error. If the error still comes, then close and reopen the realm. This refreshes the session and may resolve the problem. So give this a try and check if the error still comes. If the error persists, then back out of the game and sign in again. Signing back in can refresh your account session and may resolve the error. If the error continues, make sure that you are not joining the same world with the same account that is already active. If you are, then log out from one session and try again. If you still get the error, then ask the host to kick you from the world. After being removed, try rejoining and check for the error again. If the error still doesn't resolve, try changing your internet connection and restart the map. Then connect again and see if the error still comes. At last, if nothing helps, check if your game needs an update. Simply go to your game settings and install any pending updates and then check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.